Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In today's digital age, the trend of online jobs is skyrocketing. They offer flexibility, enabling you to work from anywhere, anytime. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, the digital world opens up a plethora of opportunities to make money online. In this video, we'll delve into a few effective ways to generate income online. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Stay tuned to discover some interesting ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Firstly, let's dive into the world of freelancing. Freelancing is a dynamic and exciting way to earn money online, offering the freedom to choose your projects and set your hours. Think of it as being your own boss, but in the digital world. To begin your freelancing journey, sign up on platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create a strong profile that highlights your skills, experiences, and what you can bring to a potential client's project. Once you've set up your profile, start bidding on projects that match your skills. Remember, the key to successful freelancing lies in delivering top-notch, quality work. This not only ensures client satisfaction but also helps build a positive reputation. The more positive reviews and ratings you garner, the more attractive you become to prospective clients. Just like any other job, freelancing requires commitment, dedication, and a whole lot of hard work. But with these ingredients, you'll find that freelancing can become a lucrative source of income. Another way of making money online is through taking part in online surveys and writing reviews. You see, companies are always on the lookout for consumer perspectives on their products and services. They want to know what you think, and they're willing to pay for it. Online survey platforms are a popular medium for this. They offer payments, often in the form of gift cards or straight to your PayPal, for you to answer questions on a wide range of topics. On the other hand, there are websites that pay for reviews. Whether it's a book, a gadget, or a service, your opinion matters. Writing reviews is not only a way to earn money, but it also helps other consumers make informed decisions. Now, it's important to remember that while you probably won't become a millionaire from taking surveys or writing reviews, these methods can provide a nice little boost to your income. Online surveys and reviews are an easy way to boost your income. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in its simplest form, is a performance-based marketing strategy where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. Picture this: you sign up as an affiliate for a company, say a tech giant or a fashion brand. They provide you with a unique referral link that you can share on your blog, social media, or any online platform. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gains a sale they might not have had, and you get rewarded for your efforts. The best part is that it's a source of passive income, as you can make money while you sleep, literally. All it requires is an initial investment of time and effort to set up and promote your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. So there you have it, 3 effective ways to make money online. To recap, we've explored freelancing, taking online surveys and writing reviews, and affiliate marketing. While they each require effort, dedication, and a bit of savvy, these methods provide a real opportunity to earn money from the comfort of your own home. It's not a cakewalk, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Remember, the key to success in making money online is consistency and quality. Good luck on your online money-making journey.